Hi everyone, how's it going? Thanks for stopping by my channel. I'm Danielle LaRocca and I'm here to talk to you. So today we are going to be doing a sugar skull makeup. So if you want to see how I do it, then go ahead and stay tuned. So first step, we're gonna take this Mayron face paint, and this is in the shade Purple, and we're just gonna put this around our eyes. Okay, once that's done, you are going to paint your face white. Next, you're going to take black on a detail brush and you're going to start creating the mouth. Looking spooky. Okay, next we are going to create a cobweb on our forehead, and then we're gonna do some designs on the rest of our face. Okay, now we're gonna detail the chin and the nose. Okay. 'Cause I'm only un poco loco. You guys ever see that movie? Okay. Now we're gonna go back into the purple and we're gonna detail like the chin, these little curly cues, and part of the cobweb. I should have used a smaller brush for up top, but you get the idea. Okay, almost done. Next, I'm going to take a blush. I'm going in with NARS, and this is in the shade Angelica. It's really pretty. It's got some glitter in it. I'm going to take that and I'm going to put that all on the sides of my face. Okay, then I think I'm gonna go back into the black, and what you can do is you can put rhinestones around your eyes, but I think I'm just gonna do some black dots to keep with the theme. Okay, you guys, so that is the finished look of the sugar skull. Remember, you can do different designs, you can do different colors than what I did. I was wearing a purple shirt today and I really liked this color, so I thought I would kind of keep it the same colors that I was matching. I did do this look off of one of my favorite YouTubers. Her name is Madeyewlook. I will link her video down below. So this is kind of where I got the inspiration from. So I wanted to recreate it my own way, do a different color. She uses rhinestones around, but I kind of liked how I did the black dots. But thank you so much for watching. If you made it all the way through and you liked this video, please give me a thumbs up and a comment. I would love to see your comments down below. Maybe leave me a skeleton emoji. Don't forget to check out my other videos on the sides, and you can easily subscribe to my channel when my face pops up down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye.